It's recording, I think.
I don't know how much of the car I can actually get.
That we should do the like this and like the and walk away.
This little Audi has been with us for 9 years. It's been a soldier of a car, taken us through good times and bad. It was my sister's first car and my backup car. But unfortunately, just shy of 300,000 Ks, and it's lost all compression. But it's okay. We have a replacement around the corner.
Can you just video?
Freedom.
What the hell did you just watch? I don't even know what we did. That was just a little funeral video that we made for the Audi, which was the runaround car that we had. The Supra is used every day, and yet at times when things have gone wrong, that car has been with us for everything. We actually bought that in 2015 to be my sister's first car and my backup car if I needed it every now and then. But now the engine has blown. It's lost all compression, it's rattling, it's finished. If you remember in the beginning of Supra to Uluru, the first video, I explained that we lost Dad a few years ago. He had a Toyota Celica, which is this car behind me now. Sat here for 3 years and it's finally back on the road. So we have a lot to do. Celica fans, chime in. I have stuff to learn off you as we get this car back to its former glory. And don't worry, the Supra is still here. It's not going anywhere. As promised, we're getting back into circuit stuff. So you're going to see a lot less or almost no off-road. We're not going into the sand again.
Matt, look at the hole you're in.
You're going to see this car get a little bit lower, get on some semi-slicks. I've booked to compete with the Sydney Datsun Club at the 6 Hour at Sydney Motorsport Park. Very excited to be able to finally turn some corners. Just before that, we also do have some straight line stuff coming for this car where we have to take on the Camaro. I think we all know how this is going to go. At least I'm pretty sure I know how this is going to go. We'll have one more round with the drag tyres on it. It was supposed to happen on the 15th of Feb. It got cancelled because of rain. So we're still looking to do roll racing, circuit racing. And don't forget about this car. Yes, it's a bit of a wreck at the moment, but hold on because that's getting something with a few more than 6 cylinders. We are not playing 2J in this car. Stay tuned for that one. I will see you guys on the circuit.